In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Anthropic API key in Cursor AI. By the end, you'll have Cursor connected to your Anthropic account so you can use Claude models directly in the editor. We'll move step by step, keeping things secure and simple. First, head to the Anthropic Developer Console and obtain your API key. If you've already generated one, copy it now. It typically begins with scan. Treat this key like a password. Don't share it, don't commit it to Git, and avoid showing it on screen. If you ever think it's exposed, regenerate a new one in the console. Next, open Cursor. In the top right corner of the window, click the gear icon to open Settings. That's where you manage models and provider connections. In the Settings sidebar, choose the Models tab. This section lists the AI providers Cursor can use and where you'll plug in your credentials. Find the API key area within the Models page. If the section is collapsed, expand it so you can see all of the provider fields. If you have a search bar in Settings, typing API can help you jump right there. Look for the field labeled Anthropic. Cursor separates providers, so make sure you're in the Anthropic box rather than, say, OpenAI or others. Paste your key into the Anthropic field. Double check that the entire key is present with no extra spaces at the beginning or end. A quick tip, store the key in a secure password manager so you can retrieve it later without digging through notes. Now click verify or, depending on your version, toggle the switch to on. Cursor will validate the key by making a quick request. If verification fails, confirm you copied the full key, check your internet connection, and make sure your Anthropic account is active with any required billing. Try again after fixing any typos. Once you see confirmation, you're all set. From now on, Cursor will use your personal Anthropic key for any model that starts with Claude. In chats or the composer, simply pick a Claude model, and your requests will run through your account. You can switch providers at any time, and you can remove or rotate your key later from the same Models tab to maintain good security hygiene. And that's it. You've linked Anthropic to Cursor in a few quick steps. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building with Claude inside Cursor.